Good day, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good one. Today, my wife's got a broken key fob to her Equinox, and she has broken both of them. So I'm pretty sure it is a pretty common occurrence on these Equinoxes. But the good thing is you don't have to spend big money to go to the dealer and have it fixed, because this is just held in with a pin. And you can buy new key fobs online, do your shopping. I purchased two off of a online site for $70. So we're going to fix both of her key fobs for 70 bucks. And here's one of the new ones. So all we're going to do is knock the pin out and change over the key. So all you need is a hammer. I just happen to have a block of wood with a couple of holes that just broke on us. Actually, it's two pieces of wood. And I took a old Allen wrench and I made a little punch out of it. And that's it. So let's try to knock this pin out. A little tricky. There we go. So right there, I knocked the blank key out, and the pin fell right here. And now all we're going to do is insert the old key from the broken fob. And now we're going to put the pin back into the hole. Without losing the pin. We're just going to reinsert the pin. And there we go. All fixed. There is one last step you have to do. You do have to program this to your vehicle. But my wife is out somewhere and I don't have access to the car. So I'll make a video later how to program this. And I'll link it at the end of the video. So there you go. Fix it yourself and save a lot of money. Please comment, share, and if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, and we'll bring more things to do to help save money. Have a good one.